Hello everyone, now we are going to watch how to pay electricity bill online using Google Tez app, and for that we need account ID. You can find in your electricity bill. Please note down. And how to recharge mobile using Google Tez app. And next, how to transfer balance your bank account to some other bank account. Open the app, and here we can go to bill payments. Just click on bill payments, and here search your electricity office. Whichever electricity office you have to select that. For example, I will select Bescom. For example, I will select Bescom electricity office and click on get started. Here we need account ID. This one I said account ID we can find in our electricity bill. We have to type here 10 digit. I will type here. Next we have to type our account name. Next, our account name we have to enter here, and next we can pay electricity bill. Once you pay using this app, every month automatically you will get a notification. Recharge. Go to mobile recharge. Enter your mobile number which you want to recharge. Here click on next. The app will automatically select, and next you have to enter nickname. The nickname will be optional, and click on continue. Next we have to enter amount, how much amount you want to recharge. Example, entered 100 rupees, and then click on proceed to pay. And the last one is how to for money, or how to send money to some other person. Here you have to enter bank details. First you have to enter account number, and here re-enter account number. You have to enter the same account number 2 times. Next, IFSC code. Here we have to enter their IFSC code. If you don't have IFSC code, here we can search for IFSC code entering their bank name. For example, SBI or Axis Bank. Like that we can search, we can find here IFSC code using this option, and we can enter branch name like that. And next recipient name. Then click on transfer. If you transfer using this app, or if you recharge, if you pay bill payments using this app, you will get rewards. At last you have to log out.